What is shell scripting? Before that, what is shell? Shell is a command line interface that allows users to interact with the kernel. When you type commands on the shell, it interprets them, which means translates them to the machine understandable language and passes them to the operating system to execute. It is not only for Linux. Shells are also present in Windows called PowerShells and Mac as well. Now that we understood what is shell, what is shell scripting then? Shell scripting is like giving your machine a to-do list. Instead of writing a commands one by one manually, you write commands and save them in a file, and your machine executes them one by one. It is used to automate the repetitive tasks like managing files, running programs, or even setting up the servers, whatever it might be. This is important for cloud and DevOps engineers. To find out how many shells are supported by your system, you can check the list of available shells by looking at /etc shells file on your terminal. These are the list of shells supported by my system. There are many shells like sh, bash, zsh, ksh and fish. Bash is one of the popular shell which is an advanced version of sh, and in most Linux distros it is used by default. People even call shell scripting as bash scripting. Now let's write our first bash script. Using VI editor, I open this kgf.sh file. Even though this kgf.sh is not present, VI is going to create that file. Even if I don't put .sh, there is no problem. But for the people who see this file, has to know that this is a script file, right? First line is Shebang, which represents which shell to use. Here I write /bin/bash, which means we are using bash shell to run this script. It is the location of bash executable. We already know that executables of basic commands are present in bin folder, right? I can quit this editor using escape:*q!. If I type which bash, it is going to give me the location of bash executable. I got user bin bash, which means I can even write user bin bash as well to run the script. Today let's write a simple echo command and run this shell script. I'll write echo kgf is superhit. To save this, I type escape:*wq! Which is going to save the file. Now how to run this file? I type ls-l and there is no execute permission on this file. So manually I can run this file using bash kgf.sh. Look, it gave me the output. I can even run this script by giving an execute permissions. How to give execute permissions? Sudo chmod +x kgf.sh. Now execute permissions will be added to user, group and others as well. To run this script, I type ./kgf.sh. Look, it gave me the output. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll see arrays, function, loops, conditionals and some cool projects in shell scripting. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.